Hello, my name's Frank Burgio with Trailers of the East Coast, and today I want to show you basically how to hook up a trailer to a tow vehicle safely. This is a Pace American 5x8 single axle trailer, and what I'm going to do today is just hook this trailer to the vehicle and hook the safety chains and the lights, and we'll do a little safety check afterwards and make sure everything is working properly. So one of the most important things I would say to start out would be make sure your vehicle has the proper capacity for the trailer you want to tow. So check your owner's manual, see what the towing capacity is, and make sure the trailer you're going to tow is the right size for your vehicle. Secondly, we'd like to make sure that you have the proper ball that fits the coupler on the trailer. This particular one is a 2-inch size ball. The coupler is a 2-inch coupler. And generally it'll say it right here, it'll be stamped in the coupler. This one says 2-inch diameter ball. And the ball itself will say 2-inch right on top of it. So that matches and we'll be good to go right there. Real quickly, let me mention about height. You want to try to get the trailer as level as possible. One way to do this is by having a different ball mount with different drops. This particular one is a 6-inch drop. So if your vehicle is much taller, you'd want a longer drop to get the trailer level. This one is just a 2-inch drop. So if the trailer and vehicle are about the same height, then the 2-inch will work just fine. So here we go. We've already backed the vehicle up to the trailer, try to get it right under the coupler here. And very simply, what we're going to do next is just lower the trailer onto the ball. So we have a jack. There are different style jacks. Some may be an electric jack on very elaborate trailers, but this is just a hand crank jack. So we're just going to lower it down. Of course, it's not lined up all the way, so we're going to give it a little shove, get it on the ball, fit it all the way up to the highest position that it will go. And when it gets to that point right there, I usually give it a little snug tap like that, just kind of snug it in. And then next thing we want to do is latch it. Latch the ball. There's a mechanism in here that'll latch around the ball and will hold it into position. So when we bring this down, it's going to latch on the ball there, okay? And in this case, I always use a safety pin. You can put a lock in here, but there's a little hole right here. Just push that through there, latch it in. Now that way that cannot come loose. Little safety pin. We have our safety chains. Now I always recommend that you cross the safety chains. Just a little extra safety precaution. If the trailer was to come loose, it could create a cradle and catch the tongue from hitting the ground. So we're going to hook this to the hitch. There's some loops up under here for safety chains. Just like that, okay? Next, we have our wiring harness. Our plug, this is for our trailer lights, our turn signals and our running lights. We want to plug this into the vehicle. This one is a 4-way flat. They call it a 4-way flat. There's no brakes on this trailer, so this one is the plug that's needed for this trailer. Now I'm going to plug this into the vehicle. And there we go. Everything looks hooked. Okay, now that we've got it all hooked up, before we hit the road, let's make sure our lights are working. Go ahead and turn on the left turn. Good. Right turn. Great. Go ahead and hit your brakes. Good. Alright, we're set to go as far as safety, having our lights working. Now, also I would check tire pressure. They say you should check your tire pressure before every trip. That's real important. And on your tire it's going to say the PSI, pounds per square inch, that you should put in there. This particular one is 35. So you should put 35 pounds of pressure in this tire when it's cold, okay? You always want to do it when it's cold because the air is not expanded at this point. So 35 pounds maximum, put it to the maximum pressure and you won't have any problems there. So next I would check your lug nuts also. They recommend that you do that pretty often, especially when a trailer is new. So go ahead and check those lug nuts as recommended in the owner's manual. Thanks for watching our video today. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. The toll-free number is 800-284-2377. From all of us here at Trailers of the East Coast, happy trailering.